Wow, how long has it been? How long has it been, man? Apologies, y'all. You know, you move, you get a new house, you got to do everything all over. I'm still not happy with the room, but it's time. It's time. You know what I mean?
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational HypeBeast is finally back at you with yet another video, man. Yeah, once again, like you saw in the prelude, man, apologies. Life, man, life gets in the way, you know. Those of you that know me know I coach. I've got football going on and track at the same time. And then we bought a new home, man. We moved out of Powder Town after so many years. So here we are in Smyrna. And here I am back to you, man. I'm not going to bore you with all of my life and how tough it's been to get back into this. But we back. Yeah! Apologies, Austin couldn't be here. He's got a lot of stuff going on. It is his senior year, man. Finally, the senior year. I don't know where he at. He in the streets. He doing his thing. But I did want to bring these to you, man. This is Thursday, the 26th of September, man. Yes. See, I can't even get my bearings on what day it is. But yeah, this is Thursday, like I said, the 26th. And this shoe drops on Saturday, man. You saw it in the description. I never hide it from y'all, so I'm just gonna bring it to you. Let's get into this colorway, man. Yeezy Boost 700 V2. It says Haas Blue, but those of you know what it is, man. It's the Hospital Blue 700s in the V2. This is an early release, and this is in the youngin size, man, size 9. I have so many of the 700s, man. I decided to take a pass on these. But the youngin, you know, I think other than his Wave Runners, that may be the only pair of 700s he has. So I did peek at these earlier. It's a dope colorway, man. I'm going to tell you right off the rip, man. It's definitely a dope colorway. Let's get that tag up out there. Well, let's just turn it that way. And let's get it to where you can see these guys, man. It is, if you remember the blue tints, same deal, guys, just in the 700. But the color really pops on this. I really like the way they put the silver hits inside the midsole there. It's pretty dope. You know, Kanye been on his all over monotone color scheme for a minute, right? For a hot minute. But I rock with this one, man. This is one that you can definitely wear because it's so clean. You know what I'm saying? It's got the same 3M hits. This stuff all lights up. I'll pop a picture up, man, with the flash so you can see the 3M that's on this guy, man. But it's a dope shoe, man. It is a dope shoe. It definitely looks better in a smaller size to me. I don't have anything that is reminiscent of this color anymore because I don't have the blue tints anymore. I got rid of them, but yeah, I don't have that. So a little bit about the V2. If you've had any of the other V2s, man, it's all the same. It's got the 3 stripes coming across right here. Let me get closer so you can see that. The 3 stripes coming across right there. That's how you know that Adidas is there. It's got the same Yeezy Ortholite. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. Let me adjust my lights here. There we go. We can kind of see up in there. Maybe you can see that. Maybe you can't. Not sure. I'm working on this whole new lighting, new studio situation, man. I'm going to have to try to figure it out. But eventually, I'll get it done, man. I really want to be in this direction, facing the other way, but I don't have that set up yet. So as for now, man, you're going to get the regular backdrop there. But I'm working on it, man. So everything else about this 700 V2 is standard. The midsole and the sole of this shoe is the exact same, whether it's V1 or V2. The difference is definitely the upper. The suede, it's regular suede to me. It doesn't feel like that premium which one was it that had the premium? So like on the Statics, right? It's got this real buttery suede here at the top. This is not that, man. This is like a rugged, like a Timberland boot type suede there. You know what I mean? So it's definitely a little different from that first V2, which was the Static, but it's still dope nonetheless. Is it worth a cop in my opinion for 300? If you don't have a pair, man, it's worth a cop. If you only have one pair, it's worth a cop. But if you got a couple of 2, 3, 4, 700s, you can probably get by without this, unless this colorway is just speaking to you, right? But if you don't have any, man, it's like, I was having a talk with somebody today and they said, they don't have the Statics, so they want this pair. And I get that, I feel that. Like, you can rock this with a lot of things, man. I could rock it with what I got on right now, to be honest, because it's neutral like that. You can do that, these guys. So hopefully, man, this Saturday, if you want these and you have the opportunity to grab them, you can do so. You know what I mean? So other than that, man, what's been going on, man? Drop a comment and tell me what's been going on with yourself, man. If you even still rock with me, I don't know, man. I know it's been so long. I want to spend a shout out to all of my favorite YouTubers, because while I've been away from actually creating content and things, I've been watching other people, man, just to try to get me by. And definitely my guy Sniper Jones, man. Much love to you, my G. Definitely Tony D, man. Tony D Too Wild. I check out all his channels, man. I support the kid because he started me into YouTube, to be honest. So I definitely rock with him. My man Mike Rich, man. Actually, man, Snipe and Mike actually hit me up like, yo, you good? So I love y'all for that, man. Definitely appreciate you checking up on the kid, man. Yeah, I still been copying, man. I just haven't had an opportunity to bring this content to you, man, because life. But shout out to those guys for sure, man. My guy T Ward, YFHB, you know what I'm saying? He's still up in this thing for sure. He family, I rock with him for sure. Break, man, Unbreakable, man. Unbreakable. He got all the information, bro. Like, you want to stay up on things, man, you just follow Break's channel, right? So that's just a little something, man, I want to throw in there. I don't know what to say, y'all. It's been so long. But that is it, man. This is an up close personal look at the Hospital Blue Yeezy 700 V2s, man. Like I said, drop a comment, let me know what you think about these guys, man. If you're going after them, if you're gonna cop. Sorry, there won't be any on feet because this is a size 9. I can't put my foot in them. And Austin is not here, man. But much love to everybody who continues to support. Shout out to everybody who reached out, man, to check up on me. My guy Mespino, man, he stay in my pocket, man. Much love to you, fam. My guy Kicks Filet, man. My guy Kicks Filet, man. I had to check up on him. Like, we both kind of was incognito for a minute. So shout out to everybody, man, like I said, who continues to rock with us, man. Love y'all. And hopefully you check this out, man, and it does you some good, man. Like I said, they drop on the, what's today, the 26th, so the 28th, man. These drop on the 28th. A little early heat for you. And that is it, man. Dad Cam, check it out from the new crib, y'all. Holla.
Told Shawty hit my phone when she mad at her nigga and she wanna get some get back. She tryna get some get back. If you in the wrong lane, fucking with the right gang, nigga, you gon' get your shit splat. I don't know why niggas talk like they bout that life and they not really with that. Baby Draco hold a 50, and it'll make a nigga sit back. Nigga ain't with the chit chat, pull up at your kickback, I don't need play around, but I love that gun sound, nigga. All you hear is click, nigga.